Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter on this 2017 Chevy Traverse. This will be the same as the GMC Acadias and the other Chevy platform vehicles like this. If this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Really helps out a lot. Alright, so you come over here to the glove box, and then you're going to turn these tabs just like a quarter turn, like that. And then you can pull it out. Same over here on this side. Half turn, kind of lift the box a little bit, can help get those out. There we go. And then the box will come down like that. Then right here is your cabin filter cover. So there's 4 tabs, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just lift these tabs towards the center, or pinch them towards the center. You can slide it off just like that. And there's your cabin filter. And you can pull it out like that and slide your new one in. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to have some Amazon links in the description below. And I'm also an Advanced Auto Parts affiliate. So you'll find my link for that in the description below as well. And thank you for watching, and have a good one.